Hi, it's me, Lois. Welcome to my channel, Lois Codes. Today I want to talk about my journey into programming. Before all of this, I was working as a 3D artist for a recreational company, creating 3D renderings of their products. Eventually, I started making interactive experiences using C# and Unity. I really enjoyed the experience, but unfortunately it was gaining little to no traction. And I started to feel like my career and my salary were going nowhere. So I decided to jump into programming. Now I created those experiences in C#, but I felt like JavaScript had a low bar of entry, so I deviated from C# into JavaScript. So I made the decision, I just needed a plan. At that time, I was living about an hour west of Atlanta in a very rural college town. Boot camps were ruled out almost immediately. I had no savings, so full-time wasn't going to work for me, and I didn't want to get another loan. Part-time wasn't going to work because I lived an hour away from Atlanta, which is where most of the boot camps were. And even on a good day, I was going to be late every time. Online was out of the question because I lived in a rural area and I had no internet access. That means no dial-up. The best I could get was mobile data. And at the time, that was pretty expensive. So staying dedicated to an online boot camp was pretty much out of the question. So self-taught I became. I studied in the morning, during lunch, at night, and all day during the weekends. I would drive about 30 minutes to Starbucks to get good internet, about 10 minutes to McDonald's to get adequate internet, or I would do the best I could with the mobile data plan that I had, and I tried to just learn what I could through text and avoided videos at all costs. I mean, I was networking, I was doing projects, I was doing hackathons, I was doing anything I could do to help with my goal. I was even doing a talk at that time, and I was ill prepared for, but I was determined. I started looking for employment about 3 months after I started programming, because why not? Let them tell you no. That's advice my mom gave me, and I stuck with it. I don't know if I'm adequate enough until they tell me, no, we're not interested. After 6 months of pure dedication to studying, networking, and creating projects, I landed my first tech job. I've been doing this for a few years now, and I'm learning and growing every day in this role. And though I've been doing this for a few years, I've had the luxury of teaching and mentoring other developers along the way. I do not regret anything. Yeah, I do have some rough days, but I wouldn't trade that for anything. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon, but until then, go forth and push code.